Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Today is a brisk day. We're back to winter apparently here in Philly. Yo, what's good? How we doing? Yeah, it's the new whip. Yeah, I've been digging it. I see you've been off-roading. You said your name's Alex, right? Yeah. Connor, nice to meet you, man. Alright, we're gonna do some random little riding. What do we got here? Little trails? Oh, sweet. I didn't even know these were here. Alright, let's send them. On the sumos. Oh, a little drop down. Go up to here. Wow, that was it. See where this takes us. Thanks, bro. It's cool, yeah. Oh, watch the peg. I don't know if that was the peg or the shift lock. But those shift locks are real durable. Hit up Astro Works, E-Moto Works, the cop one. Whew. I'm not much of an off-road guy, if you guys couldn't tell. I don't know how I've never been on this trail. Thanks, bro. I've never been on this trail before. Alright. Alright. It takes us right out to Kelly Drive. Isn't that cool? Woo! Goddamn. I'm gonna go a little slow because this is leafy and I got supermotos. I see why people would like 19s though for off-road. So much better clearance than not having them than with 17s. Alright, done with the woods. Now we're back on the street. I don't know what's going on there. Looks like there's like turds on that car. He's going crazy. Can we turn in an Enoch? Ah! Got a little stair climb. Let's do it. Ready? Haha. Now the question is, can you go up them? No, you don't think so? I just get scared of freaking popping a tire on these. Alright, I think we're gonna go to the Bell Mountain Plateau because there's some trails up there that I went with my buddy Shade before when I was on the Razor, but now I think we're gonna try them on the XXX. Hopefully it's not too dirty, too muddy, but it probably will be. Ooh, ripping through the grass. Grass shredder. All right, let's get a little line. Windy out here though, I will say that for sure. It's stock, yeah. I know, dude, it rips. Who the hell is calling me? Hey, what's up? Not much, I just popped outside for a ride. Okay, and then we can watch the show at 9. Okay, that works. Oh, here's your jumps. Catch some air on that thing. Oh! Yo, I can't lie, your rear wheel did not leave the ground. Alright, let's keep going, I guess. If you guys were looking for XXX off-road content, here you go. This definitely wasn't really my plan, but I just like to do wheelies, but this is fun. This just shows me I'm a terrible rider, though. Oh, yeah. And this comes out to a house? These are sweet. I didn't know this whole system was up here. This whole trail system. Ooh-wee. These are sweet. How far do they go? Oh shit, slow down. I feel like I should be wearing freaking MX boots with this shit. Because I usually fall off-road. That's why, not because this is that gnarly. Hey, you want to lead? I don't know, just wherever. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. All right. Now we're back in more of my element. The street. Back on the street, baby. Woo. Definitely windy. All right, we've happened upon some more trails here, and we don't have a ton of grip. The biggest thing I'd say here with the 17s is clearance. Like, you're definitely hitting your skid plate a lot. Where does this even go? All right. No, the wheels are stock. They come with the Supermotos. Yeah, yeah. That was like part of the big appeal because it was more powerful than a stock Sur-Ron, and it came with the Sumos. Yeah, it's perfect. Getting technical. Ooh. Goes all the way down here, guys. Apologies in advance for the breathing. Probably not even in advance anymore. You've been listening to it this whole video. Oh well. Here. Ooh. It would be a lot more fun if it had some dirt tires on. I can tell you that. The Sumos aren't exactly confidence inspiring. However, you can do it. Like, look, I'm doing it, and we've been fine. It's just when it's super muddy that you're not gonna have any grip. Woo! That was the best one yet. Best jump, that is. This is the most fun trail yet, these long sleeping ones. Trolley Trail. This one goes all the way down. I don't know about that. Not right now. Stoppies are scary. Damn. Dude, you know what the best part is? As that just happened, I was saying, stoppies are scary. That's the first time I've done that on a stoppie. Oh no. This took a little bit of a hit. I think we're majorly good, right? Oh yeah, it looks like our bars are a little twisted. Ah, there we go. The wheel isn't gonna fall off, right? The axles?
That's what I was over. I want to get a solid axle.
Well, I'm just glad that it It looks like the bike took it pretty well. I think the bike really landed on me realistically. Alright, I think the bike is good. XXX took that hit pretty well. I am gonna get a direct step mount though, so we don't twist the bars all up like we just did. There you go. Just gotta drop back a little bit more. About to die, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed me off-roading. I hope you enjoyed me stacking, eating it.